Hello, and welcome to SnapCyte. This video shows how to set up the adapter on the microscope. If your adapter is not assembled, watch the How to Assemble the Adapter video from the link above. The adapter will be in a plastic bag. There will be instructions included in the box and QR code you can scan with your phone that will lead you to an assembly video. With the curved cradle of the adapter facing away from you, line your phone up on the adapter so that two black padded sides are in contact with the sides of your phone. Use the screw on the back of the L-shaped arm to adjust to fit your phone. If the arm hits the other piece while adjusting to the size of your phone, loosen the middle screw to move the top piece of the adapter up and snug it off. Turn on the microscope. Move the eyepieces of the microscope down. If they're not pushed all the way down, the phone and adapter will slide down. Turn your phone still in the adapter so that it's sideways, and secure the adapter to the eyepiece using the pink screws to make it snug. The light of the microscope must be visible through the adapter at this point, and make sure the adapter is parallel to the surface to the eyepiece. There shouldn't be any space between the adapter and the eyepiece. Find the main camera of your phone. This can be done by opening the camera app and blocking each lens. Use the main back screw to tilt your phone back up to align your main camera with the view through the eyepiece. Slowly tighten the screw while moving your phone to adjust the camera and view. Make sure you can see a clear image. There should be no black or unfocused areas on the screen. If your phone is smaller, you may have to make more adjustments. The height of the phone camera to the eyepiece can be adjusted by the middle screw being moved to the second hole of the piece holding the phone. While adjusting your phone camera, the adapter might tilt on the eyepiece. If it has moved, move your phone away, readjust the screws. Make sure the adapter is sitting parallel to the eyepiece, and then move your phone back up. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.